This morning has been riddled with success and disappointment. Success because, check it out, we got half of the net up. Yeah. The twine was about at its limit, well, at its weight load limit, and had to make a quick upgrade. Busted out the T25 staple gun. Hit it at all the corners, and at some point I'll reinforce it in some other way. But I did manage to get half of the greenhouse done. The mesh wasn't long enough to cut in half and do the back end, so I'll just do patchwork here and there. Looking good, man. Definitely nice and sturdy. I think we winning. However, I managed to break one of the damn vines as I was making this contraption. So I'm going to try the splice method, well, the scion method, and I'm hoping that it takes and continues to grow instead of dying off, but we won't know until tomorrow. Ain't that some shit? But all in all, everything else seems to be looking good. Every day I come in here, the melons are getting larger and larger. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, and there it is. The new guy. 5. And we got plenty of new ones coming on. Just trying to make sure we keep everybody in place and happy. We do our usual root check, make sure everything's good. Jeez Louise, man. Turned into freaking monsters. I'll take it. Oh, yeah. But aside from that hiccup, everything else seems to be doing pretty dope. Cantaloupe in the corner is making some headway. The tomato has finally decided to grace the canopy with its presence, and it looks like just in time for the net anyway. The rest of them are definitely getting there. I cut most of the support strings, and I'll have to reinstate them, but they're making their way. The Kellogg breakfast tomatoes are going strong, and they might make it to the canopy within another 4 or 5 days, maybe a week. Our other cantaloupe is definitely taking off, man. Remember when we first started, this thing was like right here. I've been pulling fruits off of these 3 or fruit sets in order to promote more vertical growth, because I'm wanting it to, hit the canopy. But I think I might end up leaving a couple on there just to see what happens. Something tells me that's a pumpkin. I'm almost certain that's a pumpkin. If it is, he's gonna have to get a new home, because there's no way that this trellis is gonna support a 30-pound pumpkin. And again, it might. We'll have 30-pound I was gonna say strawberries. Wish I had a 30-pound strawberry. 30-pound melons. But yeah. That's what we got so far. Clones are doing good. Maybe they will reach that potential. Oh, before I forget, one of our Cherokee yellow bush beans. Goodness gracious, this thing has taken off. I mean, compared to the ones in soil, this hydro is a freaking monster. And look at that. Take a look at the roots and see how you eating. I say you eating good. You got plenty of nutrients left. So I guess we can add yellow wax beans to the canopy load. Something tells me I might need another net.